Hello, YouTube. Welcome back to Like Tommy C. I'm your host, Tommy Cunningham. Today, what we are planning to talk about is how in the world did my weekend go, and what would I recommend you guys do, and if you guys ever have like something going on. Like with some big going on. Not like your small stuff, like listening to a big radio frequency, not like listening to like a big radio station. We are going to be talking about some that I think that we need to talk about. So you guys gotta keep these people in your prayer. It's But like number one, Ukraine right now is like totally like crazy right now. There's currently like refugees right now. There is currently like different stuff there right now. Plus like also plus like also there is like so much like different like radio stuff going on, like on YouTube, that they figured out that it's from like the news. Plus like also plus like here's like a pro tip for you guys. Plus like number one, what I think you guys should do is just go all out like on like your calling. If you guys have like a calling like listening to the different radio frequencies and stuff. Like number two, like number two, there's like several different like radio frequencies that that you guys could probably listen to right now, like on a cruise ship. But 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 honestly, what I think you guys should listen to, like number one is like listening to like 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 honestly, if you guys go over to a port, I would recommend you guys probably better listen to like the port radio. Like listen to the different Coast Guard channels. And like then after that, but like then after that, you guys have like a couple different like radio stuff like all around. Like number one, you guys have different radio stuff like inside different stores. Like number two, you guys can listen to like radio frequencies like 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 if you guys hook on the Indiana Federal radio frequencies, you guys can like go all out on like these radio stuff. Like number one, the first radio thing that I would recommend you guys listen to is like the broadband. If you guys find anything that is broadband, I recommend you guys listen to. Like, like, like a lot of cruise ships listen to broadband stuff. Because they have this big round circle thing, okay? Like then after that, they have like a couple of different stuff like from all around. And like the top four things that I'm really excited about this cruise is like number one, listening to like different no number one number one is listening to like number one is like listening to la, 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 like the different radio stuff there. Number two, number two is like hanging out like in the different stuff. Like number three, like number three, you guys can go around the different places and like go around. And like then after that, which is like a lot different from like several different places, you you and honestly, you guys, if it wasn't because of you guys listening to my my YouTube channel, like I started my YouTube channel about 2019, like during the COVID-19 pandemic. And I just feel really, really, really excited about that I honestly get to take this with you and get to try out the different stuff. Like bring you guys along, like letting you guys listen to like a lot of different radio communication here in Indiana and then like one radio communication out of Myrtle Beach. There is like a whole lot and a whole lot of different stuff that you guys can listen to, but you guys got to remember, like when you guys listen to the hotel radio frequencies, they might use call signs like from like different radio frequencies, like from different cruise ships. Like a lot of places, like on a cruise ship, if you guys go like on there and listen to like their radio frequencies, like once you guys get out to sea, that is fine. But once you guys get into like a port like the Bahamas, like different places, it's like then after that, it's like then after that you guys have like several different options. But it's like then after that we got a couple of different options for like radio stuff. that right there is kind of like what the cruise ship looks like on Wonder of the Seas. Sadly, what's sad about that, I cannot film on any cruise ship, and I think that is just really weird. All right. But it's like then after that, you guys have like several different options for like Rio stuff. It's like then after that, it's like then after that, you guys have like different options for like different Rio stuff. But it's like like we talked about cruise ships, we talked about schools, we um, we talked about we talked a little bit about Terre Haute, and now what we are going to be talking about is the radio frequencies that I learned in the Bermuda area. Bermuda has like a taxi, they have like a phone patch, they have like a couple of different stuff. Like almost like all the places. Alright guys, that's it for today's video. If you guys liked it, make sure you guys give it a big thumbs up and make sure you guys smash that subscribe button, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Goodbye!